Hello friends, I am Basant. I am operating this channel called Rainy Lake. I am here in Meghalaya to shoot the rain recordings for this channel, and this is monsoon here in India. I hope you guys will like it. Thank you very much.